Hello, welcome to Intellify. Today we are going to discuss the question, what is consumer equilibrium? Have you ever imagined when a consumer gets into equilibrium? When do we have to stop consuming anything? When to decide that we can consume still more of that commodity? Don't worry, all your doubts will be cleared. To know more, watch the entire video. What is consumer equilibrium? It means a state of rest or position where there is no change. A consumer is said to be in equilibrium when he doesn't intend to change his level of consumption, that is, when he derives maximum satisfaction. But still, the question raised earlier in the introduction remains unanswered. When do we have to stop consuming anything? When to decide that we can consume still more of that commodity? Don't worry, all your doubts would be cleared. To know more, watch the entire video. Now, in order to understand it, we need to go through an important law of economics, that is, law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility states that when we consume more and more units of a given commodity, the satisfaction derived from every additional unit keeps on diminishing. In simple words, if we keep on consuming more and more of a given commodity, then the satisfaction that we get from that commodity will keep on decreasing and we won't like to consume it further, and a point will come where we'll stop consuming it and our preference for that commodity will become negative, that we won't even like to see that commodity anymore. I'm sure you all must have experienced this at some point in your life. In order for a consumer to be in equilibrium, there are two conditions that he'll have to take into consideration. First, marginal utility from a good is equal to price of that good. Consumer equilibrium is attained when marginal utility, measured in rupees, derived from the last unit consumed equals the price of the commodity. If marginal utility is greater than price, he'll increase the consumption to reduce the satisfaction deriving from that commodity. If marginal utility is less than price, he'll decrease the consumption to increase the satisfaction deriving from that commodity. Second, law of diminishing marginal utility should operate, that is, purchasing more of the commodity will necessarily decrease the marginal utility. So, by now, all your doubts would have been cleared regarding this topic, consumer equilibrium. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more such informative videos ahead.